As you can see, today being the 13th day of September, we are here at coming home of Okwuruola, Storms IMT. As you can see, this is how it's happening. So many things are happening.
Ladies and
this is fashion parade from the IMT. Watch it yourself.
ladies and gentlemen, looking at the stage, you will see some bags of rice. You will see some bags of rice, courtesy of Bat Special Agro. Bat Special Agro. Homecoming Okwuruola Igbo. And these bags of rice.
As you can see, this is homecoming of Okwuruola Igbo and friends. Happening live at IMT in Udi State. Anywhere you are watching us live, we are reporting from Big Joe Solution. As far as you can see this scene, I want you to subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you very much.
Hello! I join her, sir. Alright, finally, I can see you are putting on a very dazzling outfit because it is a fight. Why don't you be people? Why you have a designer? Then what I have for company, you know.
That's when everyone. My name is Israel. I'm from fashion department, FBCC. None of the dress I'm wearing is corset. I have a corset. Then you have different types of corset. You have corset with shoulder and the one with off shoulder. But what I'm wearing is with shoulder. There's no net attached to it. Like on its own.
Alright, so you are going to take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give us a slow 360. Everybody, you are single. Your boyfriend, who say no day? Alright, DJ, give me a short jam.
As you can see, this is fashion parade from the fashion department in IMT. They are the one performing their what they know best. Happening live in IMT in Udi. Coming home, Okwuruola and friends. That's stuff.
Alright, you know the drill. 5 seconds, DJ, drop it. one question, my brother, you don't lick your mouth. Why they lick your mouth? You don't know whether they are. You don't first mean they lick mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, in a very special way, let me also recognize the presence of Lieutenant C.E. Ugwai of the Nigerian Army and Honorable E. Ekwueme and Akodekwana. People who want to see you. Lieutenant Child. Thank you, sir. I hope no one near me was also leaving here. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, over to the next person.
Before you go ahead, no shit. You got some Ega Abolon, or if I have a Goku Breaks. There was one particular ocean member, then when you lay near your Kubu. But I'm not here to go Ega or Bono. So only that Kokolia is your own.
Okwuruola Igbo. Ezigbo Mara, as you can see it, is someone who is humanitarian service. Okwuruola Igbo.
All right, over to you.
Don't forget, we are live at the IMT. Coming home of Okwuruola and friends.
My brand name is Udi Empire. So I'm wearing an Okwuruola corset made by me.
This dress is made by her and I put it on other people. All right, DJ, 5 seconds, drop it now. When I like this outfit, you shout too much. After. All right, over to the next one. All right.
My name is Star working as a veteran. I made one I'm wearing. I'm making only men's wear. From fashion design. The name of my brand is Fashion Chinua Stitches. One from that.
All right, DJ, drop it down.
I love you, girl. I do my body every day. I need no one like me, girl.
A round of applause, please. People, special announcement. Of one name wine. A name and a drop and wine say in that fit at the African confused.
Our name and the world begin to go very okay. Hey, you know that Peter.
He way I get away like I see my guy. That's fine. All right.
I want the beat to give me the shape.
Over to you.
My name is Michael Chanzefe Ali, popularly known as MC Flamingo. What I'm wearing is V-line side logo. I'm representing my bro, S Smart. It's nice.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, try well. Okay, DJ, give us 5 seconds.
Any spirit of Holy Ghost. All right, so that's you.
My name is Ajofia In from Fashion Design Department. I run my own clothing brand and I'm called #Wears. I made my sneaker with veggie wool and stripe. I make male wears. And I'm located at our